Welcome back to my channel. My name's Lauren and this week I'm going to be doing a simple upcycle and just cropping this shirt. I really like the V neckline on this top and the crop length of the sleeves, so I decided just to create a drawstring waist. Let's get to it. I began by working out how cropped I wanted the top to be and then added a small amount of seam allowance and cut the top in two. My plan was to create a tube around the bottom of my top to insert a drawstring, which I could tie at the front. Before creating the top for the drawstring, I had to create two small buttonholes for the string to exit out of the tube at the front. I have attempted to create a diagram as to how I worked out where to put my buttonholes with the folds. It's quite difficult to explain, so hopefully the diagram helps. After creating my two buttonholes and opening them up with a seam ripper, I then folded over the fabric to create the tube for my drawstring. I pinned everything in place and sewed along the edge. To create the drawstring, I used the bottom section of the shirt. I cut this fabric into long thin strips and then sewed them together to create one longer strip. Because the fabric was stretchy and doesn't fray, I folded it into thirds, pinned it in place and then sewed with a zigzag stitch, pulling on the fabric to keep its stretch. I attached a safety pin to the end of the drawstring to make it easier threading it through the waistband. Once I'd threaded all the way around, I created two small knots on the end of the drawstrings to stop them disappearing into the tube. And then I was done. This top is great for spring and summer and adds something a little extra to the usual t-shirt and jeans look. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe and feel free to leave a comment. See you next week.